Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So as what you can see from the title below, this is going to be again another video of my back to basics makeup tutorial video. So as what you can see, I'm finished with my full face coverage foundation makeup routine, and then I'm done as well with my eyebrows or everyday eyebrows or my everyday go-to makeup routine for my eyebrows. So now we will proceed on how to contour, bronze, and highlight. So ngayon guys, this is going to be very easy kasi alam ko marami na sa inyong familiar on how to contour, bronze, and highlight your own face, diba? So totoo lang, this technique na ginagawa ko sa sarili ko, I've been doing this for a long time already and wala naman masyadong nagbago sa aking routine kasi I think ganito naman talaga yung pagko-contour and pagbo-bronze ko ever since pa. So, just to let you know guys, first thing is, kailangan yung malaman kung ano yung face shape nyo. So, kung ano yung face shape nyo, for example, heart shape, yung medyo mapangaka, oval shape, or square type of shape ng face, or rounded shape. So, ako kasi guys, oblong po yung aking face. So, kung makita nyo, parang landingan po ng airport yung aking noo. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, kailangan ng matindihang contour at bronzing yan later. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin yan. As well as ang aking ilong, dahil mukhang kulang ng shading ang aking ilong, lalagyan natin yan later ng contour. So, ngayon guys, yung ipapakita ko sa inyong mga products, ito yung mga meron ako at ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. So, it's up to you guys kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kung ano talaga yung nakasanayan nyo na or kung ano talaga yung favorite nyo. And for me, first, of course, we need to contour our face. What I have here is this from Benefit. This is the Hula Bronzer. This is also good for contouring dahil yung kanyang shade is something na medyo may pagka-cool tone, somewhere in between of warm and cool. So, this is perfect for contouring. Meron din ako ditong yung favorite ko, which is nasa makeup kit ko or go-to makeup kit ko. This is the Becca Low Light Highlight Perfecting Palette na pressed contouring powder. And actually guys, meron ako dati nung Kat Von D na Shade and Light palette, yung malaki. I think napakita ko yun sa mga previous videos ko, but I already tossed it kasi nga luma na siya. So, ito na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. So, this is the shade guys. So, as what you can see, this is very cool tone. So, this is what I'm going to use for myself. And for the brush na ginagamit ko, ganito yung ginagamit ko guys. This is from Morphe M523. Ganyan siya, guys. Kung makikita nyo, ganyan siya ka-dense. And ganito yung shape niya. So, this is perfect for, you know, carving your face. So, what I'm going to do is, with this brush, i-dip ko lang siya. And then, I'm just going to top off the excess. So, ang ginagawa ko, guys, pinipress ko muna siya dito sa dulo. Para meron talaga siyang root or yung pinanggagalingan. And then, tsaka ko siya pababa. Yan, kita nyo. So, kita nyo yung difference. Dito, medyo makikita nyo na hindi siya contoured. Actually, hindi medyo. Talaga hindi siya contoured. And ito, makikita nyo, medyo nag-chiseled na ng onti yung aking face. So, ganyan. So, as what you can see, ito yung aking powder. Hindi ko na siya dinip back dito sa aking palette. So, ang gagawin ko, medyo itataas ko lang ng onte. Para hindi super harsh line talaga na line siyang pag ganon. So, ganyan. Para medyo gradient effect siya. So, kung kanina nakaganito yung brush, ngayon naman nakaganito siya. So, it's up to you guys kung ano din yung gamit yung brush. But for me, ito yung technique na ginagawa ko. Ayan. Diba? So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa kabila. Again, we need to get another product. And then, from here, ito yung line ng aking mukha. So, yan. Then, I'm just going to start it again here. I'm going to drag it down here. And then, igaganto ko na siya uli para i-extend sa taas at maging gradient looking yung aking contour. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, chiseled na yung aking cheeks. And then, what I'm going to do next is with the same brush, i-blend ko na siya pataas. Hanggang dito, kung saan yung kaninang nilagyan ko. Dito din sa kabila. Alam niyo ba, ang mga Koreans, guys, trivia, kapag naglalagay sila ng contour, what they do is just tap, 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 ta, ganun lang. Talagang shading lang siya, guys. Hindi siya contour talaga. So, kung makikita nyo, guys, ayan, contoured na siya. Hindi pa siya ganun kalinis kasi later lilinisin natin siya. And, i-blend out ko pa siya later. But, since nandito pa tayo sa product na to, gagawin ko na rin yung aking bridge ng nose. And I'm going to use this kind of brush. This is Morphe M43. Fluffy brush ata ito. And then, this is what I'm going to use for my nose. So, the same product, guys. Just going to tap the excess. So, starting from here, dito sa loob ng aking nose, i-drag down ko siya ng onti dito para may root again or may pinanggagalingan uli yung aking contour. So, ayan. And then, drag it down, pababa. Mas maganda, guys, kapag mas precise yung inyong brush. Kasi, mas nakakatulong siyang ma-precise yung pagko-contour or yung pag-shade. And then, I'm going to drag it down here. Yan. And then, what's left dito sa brush, na powder, ilalagay ko siya dito sa sides ng aking nose para magmukha siyang maliit. And then, i-extend ko lang dito ng onte para magmukhang deep set yung aking eyes. And then, ganun din sa kabila. So, by the way, guys, this type of contour is dry contour. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo gumamit ng mga cream base or liquid base na product for contouring. So, ayan guys. Kita nyo, contoured na yung aking nose. Then, what I'm going to do next is to dip again back here. And then, lalagyan ko ng onti dito. Para mamaya magmukhang, ayan, full yung ating lips. So, there you go. So, after contouring the hollows of my cheeks, my nose, and this part of my lips, what I'm going to do next is to bronze my face para ibalik yung warmth ng ating mukha. So, what I have here is this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronze powder in the shade of Rosewood. Actually, this is a powder bronzer, not bronze powder. This is to give back the warmth of the face na nawala sa ating mukha kanina nung nag-foundation tayo. And for the brush, this is what I'm going to use. This is a goat hair na angled brush na powder bronzer brush as well. So, hindi siya ganun ka-dense, but it is enough to blend. So, kung makikita nyo kanina, ito yung aking hollows of the cheeks. Ito namang powder bronzer. Ang paggamit naman nito, guys, is first, nilalagay ko siya dito. Ayan. Dito lang sa taas. So, ito, next. Second floor. Then, next is ilalagyan ko na din tong aking temples ng aking forehead. Yung aking noo. So, that's it, guys. When it comes to bronzer, inuuna ko muna yung bronzer sa aking temples ng forehead. So, as what you can see, nandito lang siya sa top of the contour area. And then, I'm going to add the bronzer here. Diba? Kung makikita nyo, nagkaroon na siya ng shade. Kahit pa paano, hindi na gano'n na-emphasize na malaki talaga ang aking forehead. And then, what's left here, ginaganyan ko para hindi siya magmukhang, alam niyo yun, meron lang dito. So, biniblend ko siya ng maigi. And then, sa nose ko, onting-onti lang, guys. Mga 6 to 8 swipes para magkaroon lang din ng buhay. And then, of course, don't forget here. Ako, guys, hindi ko na masyadong kino-contour yung aking jawline. But if you want, you can use this kind of angled brush and you can bronze your jawline. So there you go. So as what you can see, guys, I'm done with the contouring and the bronzing part of my face. What I'm going to do next is to clean out itong parts ng aking mukha. And for that, lalagyan ko lang siya ng loose setting powder and gagamit lang ako ng sponge. And usually, nakikita nyo na din to, guys, ang ginagawa is like this. And here, hindi ko na siya kinakapalan, guys, kasi ayokong magkiki yung product. And dito sa nose. So, since kanina, nung nag-full face coverage na ako, okay na sa akin tong aking under eyes. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan, guys. Ito lang yung aking gustong linisin. So, and itong part na to. Ayan lang. And then I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of minutes, then I'll be right back. So ngayon, guys, we will blend itong ating binake na part ng ating face para lang ma-curve out yung ating mukha. So now what I'm going to do next is to apply blush on. So for the blush on, may madami kasing uso ngayon eh. May iba kasi gusto lang dito sa part na to. May iba naman gusto ng drunk blush na look. But for me, since I already carved out my face like this, what I'm going to do is to apply my everyday go-to na blush. And what I have here is this Tarte na blush on. And this one is in the shade of Party. Dami niyang A, Party. Ayun. And I'm just going to dip the brush here. So, ilalagay ko muna siya dito. Kita niyo na yung color niya. Aga-appear na. So, ganyan, guys. Ganito ko mag-apply ng blush. Nakikita niyo naman sa makeup tutorial. Circular motion when it comes dito sa apples of the cheeks. Yan. Kita nyo, diba? So, ganyan ako mag-apply ng blush. And it's up to you if you want to connect the blush here. And that is what you call the drunk blush. But for me, mas gusto ko ng ganito. And i-up ko lang ng ganito. Onte, pero hindi ko na siya i-connect dito sa aking nose. Ayan. And the other side as well. Circular motion. So, it's up to you din, guys, kung anong gusto nyong gamiting products, ha? It's not necessary kung ano yung ginamit ko, yun din yung gagamitin nyo. But, it's up to you. So, right now, I'm concentrating dito sa aking apples of the cheeks. And nakangiti lang ako para dyan ko makitang doon ko gustong ilagay yung blush. Ayan. And ganyan po ako kakapal talaga maglagay ng blush. Kasi I really want that kind of, you know, parang medyo blooming type or parang fresh. And then usually naglalagay ako ng onti dito, guys. So after the contouring, bronzing, and applying the blush, what I'm going to do next is to, of course, highlight. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung highlight. And it's up to you, guys, kung ano yung gusto nyong gamiting highlighter. You can use a drugstore highlighter. I can recommend the Essence highlighter na pure nude. That is really, really good. You can also use this Master Chrome from Maybelline. And this is the metallic highlighter. And the shade is Molten Gold or 100. And this is really good as well. Or you can use the Sleek Makeup na Solstice na highlighting palette. This is really good as well. But for now, what I'm going to use is this Master Chrome by Maybelline Face Studio in the shade of Molten Gold. And what I'm going to use for the tool is this fan brush for the highlighter. You can use, guys, your favorite brush if you want to, but for me, ito yung gusto kong i-apply kasi it is much easier for me. And talagang maganda yung pag-pick up niya nung product dun sa highlighters. So what I'm going to do is to dip the brush dito sa highlighter. Is of course, hindi maiiwasan talaga na may mga taong katulad ko na may texture ang mukha. So as much as possible guys, maghanap kayo ng highlighter na hindi siya nakaka-emphasize ng texture or ng mga blemishes sa face. So what I'm going to do, of course, we need to highlight our face here. So slowly but surely guys ang pag-a-apply. So usually sa highest points of your face to nilalagay. Sa cheekbones, which is anong ginagawa ko. Kita niyo, diba? And then I'm going to extend it here, what's left sa brush. Para magmukhang glowy yung face ko since my face is really flat matte kanina na full coverage. And then it's up to you guys if you want that extra oomph to your face. Pwede nyong basain yung brush nyo para talagang makita yung highlighter. And then what I'm going to do next is to put highlighter on my nose, dito sa center. And then of course, sa aking bridge of the nose. And then of course, you need to put it here sa brow bone area. Para pag tinamaan ng mga flash or ng lights yung iyong face, na-enhance ang iyong features. So, yun ang purpose ng highlighter. And then, of course, here, sa forehead. And of course, here as well. And of course, a Cupid's bow. And sa chin. So, ang ginagawa ko guys, naglalagay ako ng onti dito sa gitna ng aking cheeks kasi gusto ko na medyo may onting radiance yung aking cheeks. Since wala akong masyadong texture na skin dito, okay lang na maglagay. Pero guys, kung meron, iwasan na lang kasi ma-enhance lang siya. So, this is just to add glow and radiance to my face. Kaya ganyan yung ginagawa ko. Para mag-pop out lang ng onti yung aking cheeks. Since contoured na to, so ganun ang ginagawa ko guys. So, this is the final look, guys, for this video. And eto na yung kinalabasan on how to apply the contour, bronzer, and the blush on. And hopefully, may natutunan kayo, guys. And by the way, guys, just for a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast who just wanted to share to you guys kung ano yung aking makeup routine. And hopefully, may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And if you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button. And if you want to get notified with my new uploads, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you on my next videos. Bye!